Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is tomatoes, and we'll be making roasted tomato soup and grilled cheese and roasted tomato lobster risotto. Joining me in our Morris Black kitchen is Dr. Jennifer Janco from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Patrick Feury.
Hi.
These sound great, so show us where to start.
Oh, this is fun. All right, I like the flavor of roasted tomatoes.
Okay,
So with the roasted tomatoes, what I do is I cut them in half, season them, thyme, garlic, salt and pepper, and then I just kind of like in olive oil, just dip them in a pan.
Okay.
So then, and then what I'll do is I'll just put them in a pan like that, throw them in the oven, and believe it or not, at 350, so kind of high.
Okay.
And then let that go for about 10 minutes, and they come out really
Okay.
nice. So we're gonna start out with our risotto. So we're gonna use some onions, some garlic too.
A little garlic.
With the risotto itself, is that I like to blanch it actually in basically just white wine. Just
Okay.
kind of bring it up to a simmer, and then put it on the side and leave a lid on top of it, and just have that blanched right there.
So in the pot it goes.
Yep.
Okay. So just stirring that around.
Yeah, just stirring around. Basically, what I want to do is just to get all the oil and coating it over.
Okay.
I'm going to take some of our tomatoes.
They look beautiful, by the way. They're high in vitamin C, which you need all year round. We know that helps our immune system. A lot of things parents may not realize is vitamin C helps your body absorb iron. So kids are growing all the time, and we want them to not be anemic or not have low iron. So in addition to having an iron-rich diet, having a vitamin C-rich diet helps you to absorb that.
I'm going to put a little bit of water in there.
Okay.
Delicious.
For parents too, getting the vitamins C in their diet, of course, is important for parents.
Right.
But the other thing, if mom is thinking about getting pregnant or trying to become pregnant or pregnant herself, you're going to get some nice folate or folic acid. So
Right.
that's been shown to help prevent some of birth defects in children.
So we have these lobsters.
Oh, that crunches. There you go,
Yep.
right through the
I just
scalp.
like blanching them off ahead of time.
Okay. So you're just kind of cutting that right on up. I'm just stirring that all in, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Stir that all
Incredible.
the way underneath.
Okay.
Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get the kids going.
All right.
I'm
Yes.
going to grab this.
Okay.
Nice
Blender.
blender. When can you start giving tomatoes to your kids? Because I know they're high in acidity, so does it bother their tummies to have them
You know,
so
it
young?
can. So as any first food, you'd want to do that one at a time. Breast milk or formula for the first 6 months is always a good rule of thumb. After that, you probably want to go through some of your other foods. So I'd say the second half of the first year of life, maybe 8 months to a year.
Now we're going to blend up these last
So we're
tomatoes.
using the roasted tomatoes in the adult recipe and in the
A
kids.
nice
Yes,
time
yep.
saver. So you just put that with a little bit of water, right?
Yep.
Okay.
These are adorable.
These we make at the restaurant.
Okay.
So they're egg, there's butter in them. You really don't need to use any butter on the pan.
Ooh, so you're gonna toast them.
All right, so we got these like a little bit warm.
Oh, that was so fast. Okay.
That was really fast.
So any kind of cheese that makes you happy?
These are really cute.
I like Gruyere.
Here, I will help you. Look at this. We got our own little assembly line going.
I'm going to finish this off with a little bit of Parmesan cheese.
Okay.
Here we go.
That looks wonderful.
Here.
And then a little thing that I love to do is a little bit of rosemary in lobster. Works
Okay.
perfectly.
Oh, that smells incredible.
And it looks really
It's so
nice. It's got all those
creamy.
nice colors.
Let's try the soup.
I'll dunk.
Yeah.
I'm a dunker.
These buns, these rolls,
It
are
makes such
so
a
buttery.
difference.
They're so
They're
moist,
just great.
delicious. Let's dig into the risotto.
go.
Those are delicious.
Oh, I'm not done with it, but I'll taste this. Okay,
Oh
ready,
my
everybody?
goodness, I can't wait for this.
Oh my gosh. Isn't that fantastic?
Fantastic.
And
Yeah, the rosemary goes really well.
kids would eat that too. It's
Yeah.
nice and creamy.
It's so creamy.